Hi, so today we're going to be talking about this beautiful, luxurious two-bedroom apartment located in Lekki Phase 1. I don't need to bug you with the information about the shortlets and all that, but I hope you know that shortlets will make so much money for you, especially in these high-end locations like Chevron, Lekki Phase 1, VI, Ikoyi. But this property you are currently seeing the video is located in Lekki Phase 1. It's a two-bedroom apartment. This is the sample unit. So at the end of the day, this is what it's going to look like after your interior designer must have done the magic. Getting to this estate, I passed the Dome Church. I passed so many schools, cinemas, pharmacies, Purple Lekki Lagos. Yes, you should know Purple Lekki Lagos. I passed Babalola Gardens. I passed Itedo Market. Is a local market where you could buy foodstuffs. If you don't want to go to the supermarket to shop for your food items, you can visit the Itedo Market. So this is one of the room in here. It's a 2-bed and it's all en suite, 2-bedroom apartments, and it's an off-plan project. You can make an initial deposit and you spread your balance across months. Okay, this is the sample unit. So I'm going to be showing us empty space, another of the units that comes empty. That is exactly what you will get. But the reason I'm showing you this is for you to have a picture of what this home will look like after you must have done your interior designs. Okay, so this is the empty space. This is the living room area. This is the living space. It has an outside balcony. It's an open space kitchen. Yeah, then you have the guest toilets in here. This is the guest toilet. Then it comes this way. If you want to beautify it, you do that yourself. Then this is the open space kitchen. It comes with all the furniture, like everything you are seeing on this video. That is exactly how it's going to come. Yeah, so you can design or put it whichever way you want to put it and make it beautiful to your taste. Okay, you can see that the living room is spacious. Then we move over to one of the rooms, 2 rooms. So this is one of the rooms in here. Yeah, that's another something you can use for cabinets or something. I don't know, you can play around with it. This is one of the rooms. It has the wardrobe. It comes with the wardrobes. Yeah, then this is the room. It has a toilet and bath as well. All the rooms, they all come with toilets and bath. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is what it's going to look like. You have your shower, you have your system, water system, closet, you have the heater, and that is it. Now let's move to another of the room. That's the room, and that is the wardrobe, like I mentioned earlier. Let's move to another room. That's the second room. That is the wardrobe. Yeah, then I want to give you a closer view of the wardrobe. Yeah, this is it. Then let's see the toilets and baths. Yeah, this is the toilet and baths. Okay, this is the toilet and bath. Still comes with the heater and everything. Yeah, so let's see the room. This is the second room. So you can actually design this to taste, whichever way you want to do that. And it also has a balcony. From here you would have a lovely view and a fresh air. So this is the parking lot. You could park your cars here. This is where you would park your cars. So if you want to own this lovely 2-bedroom apartment, all you need to do is to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you not miss out whenever we drop updates on this channel. Bye for now.